We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your drum on a Xerox WorkCentre 6605. So your drum is going to be on the left hand side of the printer. So if you're looking at the printer, it would be your right hand side. There's a door right here you just pull down. Then you'll see a little orange peach colored little locking mechanism here. Go ahead and unlock it. Then there is a little spot you can put your fingers here. Go ahead and pull it out. It might be hard to get out, but it's just sealed very, very well. There we go. So this that you're pulling out, this black piece, this is actually going to be your waist toner. So this is not your drum. So just set that to the side. Then in here you will see all of your drums. There's these little levers right here. Push that down and it'll pop that drum out. So you would just take it out, dispose of it, unbox your new one. Make sure not to touch anything right here because it could cause printing defects. And then you would just take your new one, stick it in. Once you hear it lock, you know it's in place. Then you put your waist toner back in. And it is a little tricky, so just make sure you get it all in there and lined up. Once you hear it click, you know it's in place. Go ahead and lock it. Then you should be good to go. If you guys are seeing a lot of printing defects, it may be time to put your printer in for service. Otherwise, if you guys are in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.